Hello everyone, in this video we'll go through how to generate vendors web login account. So let's go to accounts and select vendors. Here we have option web login. By default, when you add any vendor account, web login is not generated. You need to generate the web login account. So simply click on generate web login and enter your your vendor email address. Now simply click on submit button to generate the account. Once the account is generated, you can see the difference between two buttons. On this vendor account, the web login has been generated and it's written user details, whereas on this account web login has not been generated. So you can see that the text is generate. So let's check the email. Okay, user has been created and we have received the email. So we'll use this login detail to log into our vendors account. I'll select login. Here we have interface for your vendor. Similarly, the options we have in our admin dashboard, we have similar option in our vendors dashboard, but on vendors account he can only see his information that it is related with his account. For example, routing gateways, he can see the capacity and the IP address of his server and the concurrent calls which are active at the moment. So currently there is no live call, so it's 0 there. Then we have detailed view of routing analysis stats. He can see, the vendor can see the ASR and ACD that he is getting from you, and obviously his last payment records. You can see like 5 or 10 records you can see on this dashboard. The next option we have live calls. Vendor can see all calls which are connected to his routing gateway on this page. Then very next option we have routing gateway. Here the vendor can see the IP address of his routing gateway, priority and the capacity that you have assigned from admin panel. Next option we have reports, CDR report. The vendor can see how many calls are being answered and how many calls are being failed from your server. And next option we have routing analysis. Similarly, we can see the ACD and SR on this routing gateway. Second last option we have invoices. Once we add the balance, invoice is generated and he can download by clicking on I icon. He can print the report directly from this print button, or he can download in PDF format. Setting, the last option, he can change the password by clicking on this setting change password button. So these are the options that the vendor can see on his web login. This concludes our video. See you in next video. Bye bye.